Hello and good day, and so this is my review on this PetSafe doggy door. And so the reason why I wanted this was because I needed a doggy door so that my dogs can basically let themselves out. So what I like about this is that I've actually moved multiple times with this, and each time it's a spring-loaded doggy door, so it easily fits into any sliding door. It's also magnetic on the bottom, so if I kick it out here, it is going to magnetize and stay closed at the bottom, which is something that I appreciate. If I do need to actually keep this closed, let's say for example if we go on vacation, I simply just input this here and it fits on just like that really easily. So very useful doggy door. I'd say this is pretty essential for anyone who has a home and wants to actually let their dog out. Key components is that number one, it is adjustable to a lot of different sizes of screen doors or sliding doors. Number two, you have the ability to actually keep it closed permanently if you wanted to, but with this sliding plastic piece over there. And then number three is the magnetized aspect of this doggy door. It's a good size as well. I actually have two size dogs. One is pretty small, around like 15 pounds, and the other one's pretty large, around like 50 to 60 pounds, but both of them fit really easily within this doggy door. My big one doesn't really hit any of the sides as well, but overall very pleased with it. I'd say this was a good option as far as getting a doggy door goes, but yeah, highly would recommend.